What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. Anyways, that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today is just right now, not today, because the main video is coming later on today. Right now I just want to give you guys a quick update on the market. Okay, you guys already know, things were already a little bit shaky. Okay, so without further ado, let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles right here. There, see, the entire market is beginning to cover, just like I told you guys yesterday. It was just a flash crash. People realize that big money usually use big events to try to manipulate the market. As you can see, everything is running green already. So we still have a whole Sunday today to close and see if we can meet all those targets that we were supposed to be meeting before the war broke out over there. But anyways, now looking at Casper, let's check King Casper first. Wow, look at that. For the past hour, we are up 1.3%, 8.4% up on the day, 6.6% down on the week, 25.4% down on the month, and 144% up on the year, with a market cap of $3 billion. Okay, because you guys remember it crashed down. If you look at the quant, QNT, let's go right quick. Quant is up 0.64% in the last hour, 4.1% up on the day, 7% down on the week, 22.8% down on the month, and 41.6% down on the year, with a market cap of $748 and in 24 hours. Wow, that is very low. 24 hours trading volume of $7.5 million. We look at Jasmine, JAS. 1% up in the last hour, 3.8% up in the day, 9.4% down on the week, 28.7% down on the month, and 359% up on the year. So yeah, you guys look at those numbers and you can tell we are recovering pretty good. So it's going according to plan so far. Okay, we just have to get out of that waterfall dump that happened a couple of hours ago. Okay, so now if you look at it on a little bit let's say price details, I told you guys everything was going to recover. There was no point for you to trade or sell your coins or something. If your position was down, it was a perfect opportunity for you to add up on your margin on the exchanges that let you do that. Others don't let you, like I found like I found out. I was trying to open trades on Pionex and also on the Margex. Those they don't let you it's frustrating. They only let you turn up your leverage. Like you can go from 10x to 20x or something like that, but you cannot add to your margin, which doesn't make any sense to me. But anyways, since I have the trades open, I have no choice but to keep them open. We will look at that in a little bit, but before we go there, let's look at prices in a little bit of details. Okay, we're just going to do this in a very quick. So let's look at trading view. Trading view right here. Okay, since I already have quant there, I may as well start with it. If you look at quant for the past hour, you guys remember yesterday I told you guys everything was already beginning to go. Look at let me bring out my arrow real quick. Looking at my arrow, I don't know why they keep my arrow so low. It used to be at the top, but anyways, now look at that. Yesterday we were doing something like this, and I told you guys to pay attention to the ribbon because the ribbon was already curving, right? Look at that, perfectly went above the ribbon, using that as support as we speak. it hasn't turned green yet, but as far as things go, it looks like it's about to turn green. So what I'm expecting is for price to go up above this resistance, okay, use that as support and keep on climbing. That's what I'm expecting to happen. So I think we are moving in the right direction right now. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, look on the 4-hour. See that? That's what I was telling you guys yesterday. The ribbon was too high. That it usually be an indication like it's going to attract the price back in there. So as you can see, that's exactly what happened. It's attracting the price. The good thing about this is that the ribbon is curving and we are just testing it right now. So we have a possibility, very high possibility, to break above the resistance, use the ribbon as support and keep on climbing. So because all this move was supposed to have happened before the black swan event happened a couple of hours ago or a day or something ago. So yeah, I'm still expecting this thing to do the same thing, okay, to start going up. And for those of you who are new to my channel, like I usually say, you need to zoom out on the weekly. When you look at it on the weekly, prices is different. Told you guys we were forming this W pattern, okay, which, guys, the targets is up there. It's $125. That's what Quant is looking to make, okay, $125. But before we go there, we have resistances at 104. Let's start the lowest one. The lowest resistance is going to be at $85, then 104, then 110, and after that we have this 125. So that's what everything you're looking at is just the beginning, of something much more bigger. But anyways, now let's go look at King Casper right quick. King Casper, we got Casper, KAS on Mexi right there. See, again, just like I was telling you guys yesterday, this is just really funny, because like when you see things happening, everybody else was crying, the market was crashing, and I kept telling you guys, you got to pay attention to the ribbon. Look at that, ribbon was curving, right? Go back and check my videos yesterday and day before yesterday, and I told you that. See, the crash, it happened, okay, look at how fast it recovered. Now we are trading above the ribbon, testing this important resistance. Like I told you guys yesterday at 12.4, we are testing it, okay. So with the ribbon curving upwards, look at the moving average also curving. This tells me that, yeah, we have a high possibility, just like a Quant, we have a high possibility of breaking this 12.4 and keep on going, okay, keep on going even higher. When you look at it on the 4-hour, beautiful. This is a beautiful trading opportunity, okay. Look at that going. Look at the ribbon, guys. Again, when you trade, you don't need rocket science. You just need a few things. You need to look at your MACD, your RSI on the monthly, on the weekly, because the monthly, weekly, and the daily, because anything below that usually be noise, so for daily traders, that's what usually be. But when you start going higher, like the daily, monthly, weekly, and stuff like that, you start seeing the real price valuation. As you can see that right here, curving. So you can see the difference. Look at where the moving average is and look at where the price is. So with this, I'm expecting it to climb above. Yeah, it's gonna try to climb to meet the moving average, probably get rejected, come back down a little bit before we continue. But guys, the up movement has started. I told you guys this a couple of weeks ago. But anyways, when you look at it on the daily, see, on the daily you are having higher lows, okay. We dumped all the way down. Look at that. Today, if we close this candle like this or even green, that is even a better signal for the traders, okay. It's a better signal, because like that's what I usually call the Star Wars candle, I just know, like, when you put the two sabers together, it looks like a Star Wars stuff. So anyways, yeah, you can look at that and you can see the price action has already started to climb. So now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Remember, you guys, I told you guys, like, I was start a little bit bearish on Jasmine until we go above the 2.3 cents, okay, because the price action below 2.3 cents is a little bit volatile, okay. So let's go look at Jasmine, JSMY on Binance right here. There you go. See, Again, it's almost the same thing as the other charts. Okay, that's why when you choose the coins that you trade, you gotta choose those that are going to make you a lot of money. Okay, so look at this. Same thing I told you guys. Look at my past videos. Okay, told you look at the ribbon. That's the first thing you gotta look at. If you look at it, see how it's curving, nice and easy. Look at the moving average. The same thing is beginning to curve nice and easy. As you see, the price has started to break above the ribbon on the 1 hourly, which also indicates that on the 4 hours and on the daily is also going to follow suit. So if you look at the 4 hourly, look at that, just like the other one. The ribbon has started to curve. It is spreading out, which means this price action is going to try to get in there. Okay, use this as support and keep on climbing. As again, this is something that most people don't see. They try to tell you Elliott waves and all that mumbo jumbo stuff. That is too much. Okay, guys, you just need simple indicators and use the sentiments on the markets if you want to make money in this space. So this is how it goes. Look at that. Ribbon is curving. It is spreading out. Look at how far the moving average is, which tells me again the price is going to try to go up to test the moving average. Okay, so now the daily, look, I told you guys yesterday when the market was falling, if you've been following my channel for a while, you will know I had these lines drawn for a while now. So this line right here, that's what I was saying. As long as price does not go below this line, which is set approximately at 1.5 cents, you have nothing to worry. The bullish structure is still right there. And again, if you see this blue line, this is where I'm talking about. To avoid all this, you see all this price action up and down, up and down. The price action is a little bit volatile, but it gets more stable and more bullish when it crosses this 2.3 cents line. That's what I'm telling you guys. You gotta be careful if you're gonna trade this. For me, I already have my trades open, so whatever the market does, it does. So I must stay on the side and wait. As you can see, 2.3 cents is what we're waiting for. But again, you need to zoom out. Okay, like I always say, the weekly, we are in a very big cup and a handle. Excuse me, let me do this real quick. Let me move it on the side. I've been stressing this for the longest, guys. We are in a very big cup and a handle formation for Jasmine. Okay, if you can see, this right here is the cup. Now we are the candle. Okay, the handle, sorry, the cup and the handle. As you can see, the handle is a falling wedge. Typically, falling wedges or bullish structures. Okay, bullish structures, as you can see. Now we broke out of it already, came back and retest, and we're waiting. As soon as we cross above that 4.5 cents, come back and retest it. Okay, we need to go above 4.5 cents, come back and retest, then it takes off from there. And the target for this cup and handle is all the way up there to 20 cents. That's where it is. Okay, all the way to 20 cents. But before that, we have a bull flag, okay, which has a target right here, 12 cents. We already know the golden pocket usually attracts the price, right? Attracts the price. Therefore, I'm expecting Jasmine, once we break this 4.5, we are about to go to 15 cents. There we'll see if we get a rejection to come back and sit on the 9 cents, or probably get above it, use that as support and go to 20 cents. That's what I'm looking at on this price action right now. So go back here. There. So yeah, the market is doing pretty good. Okay, excuse me right quick, change this. The market is doing pretty good, exceptionally. So therefore, as you guys know me, shit, like I said, I was tempted and I did it. The only problem is that I had a little issues with Margex, the way the trading is set up is, and again they also delayed me so much that I had made a transaction yesterday to send some funds to Pionex because I wanted to open a trade over there and also on Casper, but it didn't get there on time. It got there this morning and I opened it anyways because that was what I was going to do. So right now, let's go look at my trades. Okay, guys, you can use those to compare with yours to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, however you want to use them for. But again, guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very easily. Okay, I will recommend to do that only if you are good enough, or if you're good sorry, that's not the right word. Only if you're confident and you have experience on what you're doing. If you don't, it's always good to start with $5, $10, $50 leverage. Once you master the ad, you start go up from there. You can even start scaling up that trade if you're using my links below, which are for Phemex and Bydfi. Anyways, I'm going to show you all my trades, okay? I call across all the exchanges, which are Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Pionex, and then you guys can judge from there, okay? But like I said, when I see blood on the street, I go for it. I don't sit and cry, because when you see blood, it's an opportunity. Anyway, it depends on the person. If you want to see that as an opportunity, or if you want to join the rest of the crowd and cry about it. Okay, now let's start first. We want to start first with my Phemex. Let's start with Phemex, okay? You guys already know the market went down and it was doing I saw this trade all the way down to $7,000, but right now looking at it, I am up 9,200. Okay, go back and compare the videos and you can see. So I am up 9,200. Looking at the contracts, okay, Jasmine is still down, but it's doing way better, because you guys remember it was like almost 50% in the negative. Right now we are 38% in the negative, which is 4,400. Okay, for Casper, I am still low. When it went down, it was around, I think, like 75-80% in the negative, but right, we're still down in the negative. It's still like 53%, which is $2,400. Okay, again, I gave you the what you call it, the take profits area for Jasmine, and on my video later on today I will also give you, when I give you another market update, I will give you take profits again in case you miss them. Okay, so going to the next one, we have my Bydfi. Bydfi, you guys already know, shit. My god, when the market crashed, it was down around $6,000 or so. Today you're looking at it, we are up $8,600. So $8,600. Looking at the contracts, okay, wow, Casper is up 12.4. Looking at the contracts, yeah, Casper, I am still down 52%, which is 2,500. On my quant, I am also still down 14%, which is $1,000. Okay, now going to look at the new ones now. Let's go here. Excuse me. Now, those are the old two exchanges. I've had these trades open for the longest. For Bydfi, I want to keep it open until the top of the bull run, or close to the top as possible, okay, to see what happens. The Phemex, the Jasmine trade there is what I try to keep open to the top of the bull run. The Casper trade there, I'm waiting for my take profit points before I start taking profits. But now let's go look at my new ones. Okay, I opened two trades on Margex, and I also want to open another trade on Pionex. Now let's go look at Margex first to see how good, how it is doing so far. Let's go here, Margex here. Again, man, I don't know why people are hyping up this exchange, but so far I don't like the way they do their trades. So if you can see, let me change this to USDT so you see. Here my overall, okay, is $7,500. Okay, yesterday was 10, and I took away 3 because, like I said, I wanted to transfer $3,000 to Pionex to open another trade there, but these guys delayed everything. That is so frustrating. But anyways, what is done is done. There's no need to cry about it. Anyways, let's go to the trades right quick. If I go to my trades, as you can see, we're doing pretty good right here on trade number 1. Let me click here. As you can see, we are up today 69%, which is $1,700. Okay, later on today I will show you my take profits area, because like I said, I want to make this video specifically to show you a quick update on the entire market. So this is the first trade. I am up 69%. which is 1,700. Now if you look at the second trade, okay, second trade, I am also up 69%, which is 1,700. So yeah, you see those trades are doing pretty good right here. So now this is something like I was telling you guys, it was an opportunity I could not resist. I had to get trades open on these two. So yeah, as you can see, we are doing pretty good. Now let's go look at the Phemex trade, the one I had to open this morning due to the delays that these guys caused me. Let's see how it is doing. So Phemex exchange, I'm gonna go there. It was really frustrating, man, because if I had opened that trade yesterday, the position would have been also higher. But anyways, my overall here on Phemex, as you can see, is 3,400, doing pretty good. So if you go to there, and I will open here to look at it, yeah, I do have, you guys already know, I bought the meme coin, I bought the Nacho to support the ecosystem. I have 8 million Nacho coins. So yeah, they're doing pretty good too. But it's a lottery if you're gonna play with meme coins. It is a lottery. Now the leverage trade that I opened this morning, as you can see, I am up 77%. What is it, 168%, which is $220, which is, again, this thing really I really hate what these guys did. Okay, but anyways, it is what it is. Another thing I will tell you guys about this exchange Phemex is that they don't let you open up with the amount you would actually like, because I wanted to put in $1,000, but they did not let me do that. As you guys can see right here, all they let me do, okay, is put in 135, 133 right there. That's all they let me put in. And as frustrating as it sounds, it is what it is. Okay, look at that, 135, 133, that's what they let me put in. And because of that, I had to take off my leverage all the way up to 75x. 75x, as you can see right there, that's what I had to do. 75x, I know it's a lot risky, but hey, it's just $133. If it get lost, it get lost. But again, you also have to look at another thing, my liquidation. Okay, my liquidation is low. It's low enough. I think it's 10 cents, 10.6 or 10.7. So maybe it will survive it, maybe not. Who knows? But anyway, let's see where we go from there. There's nothing I can do about it because I tried to. Okay, and again, I had to change it from because I came in late enough. I had to change it from isolated to cross margin. Anyways, if you don't know the difference between cross margin, is that isolated, you're only dealing with one position, but when you do with cross margin, you're dealing with 3 or 4 or 5 positions at once. That means if one position get liquidated, the rest will also get liquidated. But since I only have Casper, I don't need to worry about it. So that's why I open a cross position right here with Casper. I don't have any other position on leverage on this exchange. So yeah, I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so as you can see, everything is moving fine. And today I will do the video this later on to show you the take profit areas. Okay, you guys can also look at them and see if you want to consider taking profits on those areas. Okay, now there you have it. That was the update on the trades. See, hopefully everything starts to go up from now, because I told you guys it was just a matter of time. When you end up September being green, I will say it again, when you have a green September, go look at the crypto history. October usually starts red. October used to start the first 2.5 weeks, or 1.5 depending, usually starts red, and then it takes off from there. And that's exactly what we're seeing. Okay, the war was another thing that nobody was planning to see. That's why I said in my 2-3 videos behind, 48 hours left, nobody could see about the war, but it's happening. Okay, crypto's going up. Okay, hopefully we have the election coming up. That's another big catalyst. That's another thing. You are seeing that most of the coins, useful coins, have started to take shape. Bitcoin is back above $67,000, and we have an FMOC meeting. That's another bullish thing coming. So we have bullish things after bullish things going up. So yeah, today I will try to give you a little more details on Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. This video, again, it was just an update on my trades that I opened yesterday and everything else when we talk about trades. Okay, so the next video, I might not be showing you trades straightforward like that. I might just like brush over them to see how they're doing, and that's it. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this video, turn on your notification, also comment, let me know what your opinions, what do you think. Let me know. Don't forget to share so that other people like you and I with this millionaire minded attitudes can get the video, can get the information, and then we can share, because when people comment and they show good things, not just me, everybody else sees and benefits from them. Okay, so again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay, share and comment. Okay, that being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.